Summer BBQ vs Chinese takeout. Who wins? Recipe showdown. Introduction. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am 39 lines be showing you how to make a delicious BBQ and Chinese food spread perfect for the summer season. Step 1. Gather ingredients. Pork or chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, bell peppers, sliced onions, diced tomatoes, quartered pineapple chunks, BBQ sauce, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder. Note: you can also add other vegetables or protein of your choice. Step 2. Marinate the meat. 1. In a bowl, add the meat, soy sauce, garlic powder, and ginger powder. 2. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Step 3. Prepare skewers. 1. Soak wooden skewers in water for about 15 minutes to prevent them from burning. 2. Thread the marinated meat onto the skewers, alternating with bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and pineapple. Step 4. Fire up the grill. 1. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 2. Brush some oil on the grill grates to prevent sticking. Step 5. Grill the skewers. 1. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally. 2. Brush BBQ sauce onto each skewer as they cook until they are fully cooked through and have a nice charred exterior. Step 6. Prepare Chinese fried rice ingredients. Cooked white rice, eggs, frozen mixed vegetables, soy sauce, sesame oil. Instructions. 1. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add beaten eggs and scramble until cooked through. 3. Stir in cooked rice and frozen mixed vegetables, so until heated through. 4. Add soy sauce and sesame oil. Stir well until combined. Enjoy your meal. Now that everything is ready, your delicious BBQ skewers alongside flavorful Chinese.
Forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.